can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Given that 4 raised to a equals 5 raised to b, then what is the value of 25 raised to the power of b over a minus 16 raised to the power of a over b? Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so given this equation, 4 raised to a equals 5 raised to b, then our goal is to solve for the numerical value of 25 raised to the power of b over a minus 16 raised to the power of a over b. Alright, now to answer this question, take note of this 25. 25 is just 5 raised to the second power. Of course, 5 squared is 25. Also, this 16 is 4 raised to the second power, or 4 raised to 2. Now, what we're going to do here is to apply this law of exponent. If we have x raised to the power of n raised to another power m, it must be equal to x raised to the power of n times m. Alright, so 5 raised to 2 raised to the power of b over a, this is simply equal to 5 raised to 2b over a, or simply 2 multiplied by b over a. Same thing with 4 raised to 2 raised to the power of a over b. This can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2a over b. Now, let's focus on this exponent 2b over a. This can be written as 2 over a multiplied by b over 1. And 2 over a times b over 1 can be written as 2 over a multiplied by just b. Now, similarly, 2a over b can be written as 2 over b multiplied by a. Now, why we do that? Because take note that multiplication is commutative, so we can interchange 2 over a and b. Similarly, we can interchange 2 over b and a. Now, we can now apply again this law of exponent. So, if we have x raised to the power of n multiplied by m, this can be written as x raised to n raised to the power of m. Therefore, 5 raised to the power of b multiplied by 2 over a can be written as 5 raised to b raised to the power of 2 over a. Now, similarly, 4 raised to the power of a times 2 over b can be written as 2 to the power of a raised to the power of 2 over b. Now, why we do that? Because take note, we have given an equation that says that 4 raised to a must be equal to 5 raised to the power of b. So we can replace this 5 raised to b with its equivalent, which is equal to 4 raised to the power of a, like this. Also, 4 over a right here must be equal to just 5 raised to the power of b. So we can replace this 4 raised to a with 5 raised to b. And again, we will apply this law of exponent. If we have x raised to n raised to the power of m, can be written as x raised to the power of n times m. So we have 4 raised to a raised to the power of 2 over a. So we can multiply this a to 2 over a, and a cancel out. So this expression right here can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2. Similarly, 5 raised to b raised to 2 over b can be written as 5 raised to the second power. So now we can now simplify this. 4 squared, we know this. This is 16. 5 squared, we know all this. We have 25. So 16 minus 25 must be equal to negative 9. And that is the value of 25 raised to the power of b over a minus 16 raised to the power of a over b. And there you go. Our answer to this question must be equal to negative 9. And as always, we are done.